Hi, I'm Mark Davis. Welcome to the May 25th edition of PAR Tuesday News Review, your timely source of news that is important to the IDA provider community. May is Mental Health Awareness Month, a national movement to raise awareness about mental health, fight stigma, provide support, educate the public, and advocate for policies that support people with mental illness and their families. The COVID-19 pandemic and resulting economic recession have negatively affected many people's mental health and created new barriers for people already suffering from mental illness and substance use disorders. A Kaiser Family Foundation health tracking poll from July 2020 also found that many adults are reporting specific negative impacts on their mental health and well-being, including 36% with difficulties with sleeping, 32% with eating, 12% with increases in alcohol consumption or substance abuse, and 12% with worsening chronic conditions due to worry and stress over the coronavirus. 52% of adults report at least one of these symptoms, up from 39% in May 2020, just 2 months earlier. PAR continues to lobby the Pennsylvania State Legislature and administration for the interests of people with IDA, DSPs, and providers who support them. Over the past week, PAR has continued to meet with members of the Senate and House Appropriations Committee with a request for $540 million in COVID-19 relief for IDA providers. Please feel free to join PAR and the Alliance as we host a press conference on Wednesday, May 26th at 10:30 a.m. The press conference will be held at the Soldiers Grove across the street from the east side of the Capitol at 531 Commonwealth Avenue in Harrisburg. Legislators, family members, and providers will speak on the urgent need for $540 million in COVID-19 relief for Pennsylvania's IDA providers. We will follow up after the press conference with visits to legislators' offices. Please feel free to join us. You can also go to www.par.net/action-center to contact your House and Senate members to support PAR's budget ask. PAR and our partners, TPA, MAX, and the Alliance, continue to gather legislative co-sponsors and supporters for the Level Up for IDA Act. Any savings from the initiatives in the Act would be required to be reinvested in DSPs and the waiting list. Please ask your legislator to co-sponsor the Level Up for IDA Act. The PAR APM Taskforce is meeting on Tuesday, today, to talk about the future of APMs in Pennsylvania, given the imminent release of the Anchor Alternative Payment Model report. PAR members may email par@par.net to get involved. Another friendly PPP reminder: you have less than a week left until May 31st to apply for a PPP loan. Given that most banks will be closed on Memorial Day, practically speaking, you really have a few days until Friday, May 28th. Please remember to follow PAR on Facebook and Twitter to check out and like our videos and other advocacy posts. Be sure to tag Governor Wolf and your state legislators. Thanks for tuning into PAR TNR. Stay safe, everyone, and we'll see you next week.